I want to do my Squid Games impression right now.
This mansion.
Okay, do your impression.
That's it.
What the heck?
Baby, Lemur.
Let's go.
Alright, so make sure can you tell people who lose and who win.
Whoa!
You got
it. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Which?
Red light. No, I'm kidding. But it's not that much. And you move. You're eliminated.
Me?
Green light. Red light. Okay, you move. And I don't know where you're sitting.
Oh, we get to launch. Nice.
Dropping pig.
No,
way. You
Say your line. Do your catchphrase. Yeah.
hello, Mr. Owner.
Hi.
What the world is this?
Reindeer!
Oh, this is the last
Where's my money, bro?
in
I want my
Blockhaven,
money
and
back.
you too can make your own
I don't have
game
Please,
time or other
ban
type of
this
experience
kid.
in Blockhaven today. Please like me and subscribe.